Come on. Bro, what? Wait. Burna was about to scatter ground. Bro. Let's take that back. I didn't see that coming, bro. Next track, we are here with Ginger. Okay, Ginger. Now this second track. Now this one sounds like it's, man, the expectation on this one with Burna too, man, is high. Okay, the expectation is high. If this one don't enter like that, bro. Let me talk about like two of the biggest artists of our time right now coming together on the track. It's a huge moment. Okay, and the expectations are through the roof. Rightfully, because yeah, these are the two most prominent artists that we've had in this new generation of artists. So, and one thing to point is that these two artists, when it comes to like say their vocal texture, you know, like Burna Boy being like a more baritone, he has a very deep voice, but sings in an okay way for him that it feels very relatable. And WIZKID on the other hand, not really deep of a voice like Burna Boy, but much more softer and like much more soothing, basically soothing to the ear in some sense, you know what I mean? And this contrast between the voices, I feel like it's gonna enrich the song, and I'm looking forward to what their voices sound like together. We've obviously had WIZKID and Burna features from as way back as Burna Boy's Spaceship. I think Spaceship album, they had a song together. What song was that? Yeah, Spaceship and even Life album, bro. What am I saying? Jah Love Is True. Yeah, these two are they're not new to each other, man. They've had two tracks. I'm looking forward to this. Out of all the features that was here, I was like, Burna Boy made the album, bro. Let's go. I'm here. I am here. Ginger. Wait. You can't even let us breathe into it, bro. If you want make a ginger, just off the gate, bro. At least like build the momentum at least small, man. I'm like, bro, this guy they didn't want to wait. Like at least like let us ginger, like let us enter it small, you know, like. But this guy. If you want make a ginger, give me. Yeah, Burna is still in the song, bro. Burna is still in the song. The boat went on the hook. Let's go. Yes. Yeah, this is a banger, bro. I can already hear it. I can hear this being played everywhere, bro. This is gonna be a moment. This is a moment we're witnessing right here, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, now this is when we're like building up the momentum, yeah? Hey. Hey. Let's go, Rizzy. Oh, let's go. Cheers. Bro, this is what we came for, bro. This is what we came for. Hey, let's go. Bro. This is gonna be a problem, yo. This is going to be a problem. Can't you hear how soothing and already like it's making you melt already, bro. Like this is, man, bro. Like. Hey. No, they do like Bolo, man. Hey, let's go. Just off the hook, I think Burna Boy had a bigger hand in writing this hook. It felt like the lyrics just feels like a Burna song. Like it feels like a Burna track itself, you know? Like just off the sound, just off the wave that the presence that Burna already has on it. Not to compare both of them, but like Burna is taking charge, bro. Come on. Oh, this is too smooth, bro. This is too smooth. It's like fine wine, you know? Hey. Okay, let's go. Bro, can you hear Burna in the back? Oh, this is a Burna track, bro. Hey. Yo, this is a track still. Come on. Bro, what? Wait. Burna was about to scatter ground. Bro. Let's take that back. I didn't see that shit coming, bro. It's like they had the modulation. Am I hearing the modulation, bro? Hey. Bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He gets the outro too? Oh, come on, bro. Come on. And he fades out like that, bro. Nah, that was a Burna track. I'm sorry, bro. Nah, that was a Burna moment, bro. That was a Burna moment. Still. Okay, shout out to Wiz. Wiz is the Oganla, you know now. Babanla, we know. But honestly, bro, it felt like that's quite a feature, man. I liked it. I won't lie. I liked it. It felt like a huge moment. The expectation was there, but still, I think he met it. You know, he didn't go too far, but he met it, you know. And I feel like a song that has a huge replay value. You're spinning this one, bro. You know you're there. You're spinning this one for sure. This is something that you go back to. The hook is so catchy. Both of them go back and forth. The fact that they're going back and forth alone is like obviously there's intention here. There's intention to build a chemistry between each other, and honestly the chemistry was there. But honestly, bro, in terms of features, like Burna taking charge, every time you feature Burna Boy, just know it's at your own risk, bro. It's at your own risk, because the guy has this natural way of just like stealing the show somehow, you know. And it's like, bro, it just injected. That's all I'm saying, bro. Just injected. I feel like the song was very soft in a WIZKID way, but at the same time, Burna bringing his energy was like, okay, yeah, let's take this to another level, man. And he did, and he definitely did. Definitely a song I'm going back to, man. Ginger. Oof, there's a lot I can say about that one, bro. Like, come on. But the overall direction of the song obviously is the pop leaning song where it just makes you like, so they're trying to make a club banger here, and I think they did. But the narrative is still the most like generic pop narrative, which is love, talking to a girl, trying to chat the girl up, you know. And that's pretty much what the song was about. That's what it felt like. WIZKID's verse got very intense at some point. It got very steamy, you know, like a very like sensual moment of the song. Definitely, like you can hear him say, you know, those drawings like he does. But I'm sure if you know what I mean, you know what I mean, you know. But nonetheless, bro, like Burna not really having a verse to himself, but being such a huge part of the hook, and then having an outro that is just out of this world, bro. Like the way they fitted that thing out is like, bro, like you're giving Burna too much opportunity to body the entire track. He stole the moment there with that outro too, bro. Like it's just too much. But nonetheless, a solid track. Okay, thank you so much for watching that. The full album review / reaction is coming up shortly, or if it is out by now, it's over here. So definitely go follow that link and that tab and go watch it. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.